Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the logical operators in Arrow. So we have the not logical operator, we have the or, we have the and, we have the equivalence. So we're going to learn how to use the logical operators in Arrow. Let me share my screen. So the first logical operator I'll teach you is the or logical, or let me use the equivalence logical operator. So remember in Arrow, if you want to assign a variable name, we can either use the less than and the dash, or we use the equal sign. Now, this is to assign a variable name. So what I mean by assigning a variable name, I can do X, this, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is X, and I can also do Y equals to. So let me use what we learned in the last video sequence 2 to 10 by 2. That's it. So I can either use the less than dash or I use the equal sign. Now, what if I want to talk about equivalence? We want to compare two quantities if they are equal. We know in normal, we know in mathematics, if you want to compare two quantities if they are equal, we use the equal sign. But in Arrow, we don't use the equal sign for that. We use the equal sign to assign a variable name. So what if you want to compare two quantities? What are you supposed to use? We use two equal signs. When you use two equal signs, Arrow will know that you are comparing two quantities. In mathematics, what we use one equal sign to do is what we use two equal signs to do in Arrow. So let me explain what I mean. So we know that X means 1, 2, 3. So I want to ask Arrow when X is equal to, or when X is equal to 6. So look at what Arrow will tell me. Arrow will tell me the first one is false, meaning 1 is not equal to 6, 2 is false, not equal to 6, 3 is false, not equal to 6. So I only have one true here, and that is when X is equal to 6. So we use, when you want to talk about equivalence, we use two equal signs. So if I can do X equal to 9, which is the last number. So not X equal to 9, which is the last number. So are we saying others will be false, while the last one will be true? So this is the equivalence logical operator. So the next thing we're going to learn is the not equal to, not equal to, not equal to. So when you want to tell Arrow not equal to, we know how to write not equal to in mathematics. So if you want to communicate that to Arrow, how will you do it? So this is how to do it. So I will say X, the factorial sign, and equal sign. So this is how to write not equal to. So I can do not equal to 2 and run. So not equal to 2 means this is true. 1 is not equal to 2, but 2 is equal to 2. So it will be false, while the rest will be true. Why are they true? Because they are not equal to 2. So when you want to use the not equal to sign, so let me try another one. X, you use factorial, not equal to 9. So all the numbers here are true except the last one, which is false. So the not equal to sign in Arrow is factorial and the equal sign. The third logical operator we're going to learn is the OR logical operator. So the third one we're going to learn is the OR logical operator. So in Arrow, when you want to write OR, we use this sign, a straight line. So that's how to write OR. So let me say, communicate to Arrow when X is equal to, like, equivalence to 8, or X is equivalent to 9. So this is it. So all the numbers here are false, 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 because they are all not equivalent to to 8 and 9. But the two numbers here, they are equivalent to 8 and 9. So 8, 9 will give me true, while the others will give me false. They are equivalent to 8 and 9. So this is how to write. Or let me try another one. So I can do when x is less than 3 or x is greater than 6. So this is it. Let me show you this. Remember what our x is. Let me copy it here. So we'll be seeing it. So 1 is less than, these two are less than 3. And all these are greater than 6. So arrow will tell me this true and these two true. So we've learned the OR logical operator. So what if I want the less than, and equal to? Less than or equal to. So how do we write it in arrow? So this is how we write it, less than, equal to. So I can do less than equal to 7. So this is it. 7 will be, in less than, if I write x less than 7, 7 is not included. Let x less than or equal to 7, meaning 7 is included. So this is how to write x less than or equal to. So this follows, if you want to write greater than, you also do greater than, equal to 6. So that's how to write less than, equal to, and also greater than or equal to. Then the next I will teach is the AND logical operator. So how do we write the AND logical operator? So if I want AND logical operator, so let's say I have two. So to write the AND, so this is what we use to write the AND logical operator. So we use this symbol, the AND symbol, for AND logical operator. I'm thinking of an example that I can use it on. I think when we are writing function, I'll use it. Okay, I think when we are writing function, I can't think of any, but that's the AND logical operator. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, I just thought of an example now. So let me use the MTCAS data set for the AND logical operator. Okay, if you want to see just the five rows, I will use the add function, MTCAS, then I will tell arrow 5 rows, just 5 rows. But let me reduce it to 3. So just the 3 rows. And let me expand this. Okay, so I just want to see only the 3 rows. So let me show you how to use the AND logical operator. I just thought of it now. I was about to end the video. So I can do when MTCAS. So I want to select a subset. So this is how to select. I want to select a subset. I want to select a subset when. So let me show you all the MTCAS. This is the MTCAS variable. So I want to select a subset when CYL is 6 and the VX is 0. So it must be 6 and 0. So that means this will be, arrow will pick this because CYL is 6 and VX is 0. Arrow will pick this, CYL is 6, VX is 0. But arrow will pick this also because it's 6, 0. No, this is 6, 1. So arrow is not going to pick this. Arrow is not going to pick this. This is 6, 1. So that's what I want to do. So this is how to do it. So MTCAS, my block bracket to tell arrow I want a subset. Then I'll do MTCAS $, when CYL is equal to 6, equivalence now. So I use 2 equal sign. And because I'm combining both, when MTCAS VX is equivalent to 0. Sorry. So this is for the row. I will use comma sign. Comma sign meaning I want all the column. Okay, so this is it. So we only have 3 data sets that are CYL6. So when do we use the AND logical operators? So when you know that you have more than one attributes that you are interested in, more than one, and you want all the subject to have all the attributes interested in. So you use the AND logical operator. So I can say, okay, I want people from Canada that are male. So I can select all males that are from Canada. I can say I want all females from Nigeria. So I can do all females from Nigeria. So when you can also have more than 2 attributes. So this AND logical operator doesn't stop at 2. You can have more than 2. So when you are interested in more than one attribute and you want all the subject to have that attribute, you use the AND logical operator. When do you use the OR? The OR, if you want all this to have any interested in, if they have one attribute, they should be included. If they have both, they should also be included. You use the OR. So let me show you the difference. So let me change this AND to OR, and you'll see the difference. I see it. In the OR, we have more than these 3 subjects in the AND logical operator. Why? Because in the OR, once they have just one of the attributes you are interested in, that particular subject will be selected. But in the AND logical operator, they must have both. Okay, I think I've been able to explain the logical operators. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share this video. Share this video to your friends and watch the previous videos. Bye.